Hello iconic fraggers, today we are going to do detailed analysis of new Fragger teaser which was dropped yesterday. But before that, make sure to subscribe our channel because we create awesome content like never seen before.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family, credit cards in the sky.
I think that this background music can be the new sound of our game Frag. So it would be interesting to have this new sound in our game. Till now we can see that both of the new fraggers looks similar to Lord VR. And also we can see that the big guy has done something due to which the speakers are destroyed. And it also seems like both of them are enemies. And also if you see this clip carefully, you will notice that there is a Zapgull tag on the CD. So his story can be related to Zapgull. This clip clearly states that the big guy is in the negative role because fraggers like Dan, Lollipop are rushing here and there for help. The big guy looks like the Takeshi's Rogyuskin. I think his ability will be that he will throw the laser from this hole. And the ability of the small guy will be that he will do a thunder jump. After watching this clip, we can clearly make out that this can be the story of our two new fraggers. And that American flag on the wall clearly states that both of the fraggers will be from America. And I also think that both of them are twins. And due to this tragedy, both of them are separated. It can also be possible that after this tragedy, one twin has converted himself or modified himself to a robot. I also have one prediction for the big guy that his ability can be an electrical punch with a jump. Overall, this teaser look very awesome and I am excited to play with them. And also don't forget to enter this gift code, it will give you 25 diamonds for free. Thanks for watching.